Hello everyone, I am Keira Inaya Maharani from K class attendance number 4, and this is my video for my cross-cultural studies midterm test. So, the growth of the international tourism industry has boosted interactions among people from diverse cultures and backgrounds. Culture itself is the foundation of norms, values, and customs of various groups. These differences result in different expectations within the tourism activities. So, it is crucial for the tourism industry to learn and understand these differences to meet this expectation effectively. Okay, so for the first question, foreign tourists often do not understand local cultural boundaries. Each culture has its own unique customs and tradition, including dietary habits, etiquette, and norms. When tourists enter a new cultural environment, they may find that their behavior clash with local customs and traditions. Different cultures can have significantly contrasting views on morality, ethics, and habits. These differences can lead to unintentional disrespect and conflicts, often from a lack of knowledge and information. So, to address this issue, tourist sites should offer clear signage in multiple languages that outlines the local norm and etiquettes. As a tourist, by being informed about the guidelines in advance, tourists can avoid conflicts that may arise from inappropriate behavior. Additionally, implementing stricter regulation from the government and local community can also be an effective solution. Next, the second question. Local tour guides struggle to bridge different communication styles and service expectations. In the tourism process, cross-cultural communication acts as a bridge between tourists and the tourism practitioners, in this case, a tour guide. Cultural differences can often lead to communication barriers, misunderstanding, and even conflicts. This is due to the differences in language habits and expression, whether it is verbal or nonverbal. Culture also leads to different expectations of the tourists. If tour guides are unaware of the expectation of customers, it will result in the gap of performance of service. So, how to overcome these issues? Understanding the needs and habits of tourists from diverse cultural backgrounds can help tourism practitioners provide more thoughtful and personalized service. Cross-cultural training can also be beneficial, as it helps develop awareness of different values, social norms, and expectations. By adjusting their service styles to meet the needs of international customers, tour guides can enhance the overall experience for tourists. And moving on to the third question. Cultural value conflicts between tourism managers supported by foreign investors and local communities. The differences in cultural values between local communities and tourism investors lead to challenges around work schedules, profit sharing, and operational management. Work values and norms from different cultures, along with the different leadership and management styles, can create conflict in the workplace. This may result in misunderstanding and difficulties in the long run. To address this issue, investors should understand the local culture to ensure effective collaboration and minimize conflicts. Additionally, establishing agreements through contracts can help set clear expectations for all parties involved, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and aware of their obligations. And the last one. Land use changes conflicting with local cultural values. The use of land for tourism activities often prioritizes profit and efficiency, which can clash with the local community's priority on cultural preservation and environmental sustainability. Tourism industries may dominate and control natural and cultural resources, marginalizing local communities. The development of tourist sites can also lead to environmental degradation and the removal of local communities. To address this issue, tourism practitioners should prioritize the local community and environmental sustainability. Implementing a community-based tourism approach can help ensure the local communities are included in the decision-making process. Establishing a contract to facilitate compliance between both parties is also essential. So, for the conclusion, overall, cross-cultural understanding is essential in the tourism industry. All parties involved in the tourism sector must enhance their awareness of cultural differences to foster a more inclusive tourism experience. That's it for my video. Thank you.